And now for something completely different. Today's fun. First, that there that you can't see, the bonnet. Put it back on. Tighten some nuts up on the dash. And for the time being, not for long unfortunately, I'm having a change of direction on the Mark II. I still need to do modifications inside, but I just want to put something on the car rather than do some more modifying. So what am I going to do, you ask yourself? This door. But what with this door, you ask? The window. This window. The window winder mechanism, the door panel, and the wood. I will need to get a plastic sheet to go on the inside. Prior to doing anything in here, I'm just going to have a quick look and then probably squirt a little bit of rust converter into the edges. It won't rust in my lifetime, but hey, let's be nice. And I've got to find this adhesive that holds the plastic sheet on. I don't know what it is. I know it stays soft and you can peel the plastic off and stick the plastic back on afterwards. Car manufacturers use it, but it's a specific type, isn't it? I don't know which it is, but it is, and so I need to get it. So let's get on, get the bonnet done, out of the way. I'll film me doing it because you might find it interesting, the method I used, in case you have to do it. And I'm going to do all 4 door panels and windows. It's just, I want to do something interesting for a change. Enough modifying. It gets a little tiring doing the same thing. Yes, and I know it's different modifying, but no, something completely different. Let's get on with it, yes. Okay, time for the event that I'm sure a lot of you are looking forward to, with the exception of one person, me. I'm going to put the bonnet back on by myself. Now, not only is it heavy-ish, but it's fucking awkward. All of this I have to do without scratching my paintwork on the bonnet or on the car. As you can see, I have a huge blanket there. Well, let's get on, give it a go. Hey, Gary Eats says that. Give it a go, let's give it a go. You should watch his channel, it's fun. He goes to restaurants and critiques them. Trying to find out where I can grab this baby. Right, hang on a second. Let's balance it on my foot and cause myself excruciating pain. Oh, that was fun. Wasn't expecting that. Ho, 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 ho. Hope you're enjoying this. Oh, sorry, I'm seeing my belly. I gotta get the right angle of an angle here. Oh, crap. Oh, that was close. I'm sure you're all pooping your pants like I am. Damn it, forgot to cover this area, didn't I? Which means this passed me out. You're just going to have to bear with, and laugh, as I'm sure you're doing right now. Let's try a different method. Let's see if this works. Got it. Wow. That wasn't fun. I'm just talking to myself. I was the boss checking up on me. Oh boy. Now, can I? This is, can I get one bolt in? Right. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to get one bolt in here. So now, I have a point that is fixed. Oh boy, that was fun. Sorry, you have to see my belly. It is getting smaller, by the way. Right, now, can I get a second bolt in? Here, maybe. Okay, 2 bolts. Right. Okay. Can I get a third bolt in? Who knows? Oh boy. And for those of you out there that say you can't do things by yourself, you can. Just have to think about it. Right. Now, one more bolt that I can't see. Where are we? Okay. Now, is held, and that is the reason I use this with this round end on it, so it didn't cause any damage here. Now I'm just going to pinch those bolts up. Ooh, shit, that's been sitting in the sun. Yes, it's December the 2nd, and it's still fucking hot here in Arizona. So, there you go. I tell you what, I'm just going to do one more thing to tell you about what I'm going to do in the next video. So come with me. Now, you know I mentioned I'm going to do the door, windows, etc. Giving it a lot of thought. I'm sorry, that's a bit dark, isn't it? Let's get a light, and I'm having trouble starting. What has to happen once I have the window in, and the mechanism with it, of course, Then I'm going to put this plastic piece on. Then the door panel goes on. Yes, it's a door panel, not a door card. Then the material that's on the top of the door panel comes over. It doesn't tuck in there, but it comes up. Then the wood capping goes on. Then after the wood capping goes on, there's a wooden strip that goes on the top. On the wood capping, I must make sure that I put one of these, which goes and rubs up against the window. Okay, so that was it. I just wanted to throw that in so that you guys are aware of the fun that this is going to be. And I'll probably, if all goes well, start on that tomorrow. When I finish getting the bonnet aligned today, finish bolting up the glove box, and when I had a quick look at the light and why it's not working, I've got good grounds everywhere, so it might be that I'm not getting a live feed, so that's something I've got to check into. I will do that at a later stage. I'll let you know what happens. But yeah, I pulled the switch out. The switch works. The ground wire works. So everything works. But the light doesn't come on and the bulb is okay, in case you were thinking that. So it could be that I've not got a hot feed to it. I need to figure out why. I've got to find out where that hot feed comes from. Okay. There you go, folks. That's it for today. Because I wanted to push this out so that you could all have a good laugh with me fitting the bonnet. And boy, wasn't that fun. Now get out in their garage. Go do some shit.